flood warnings given for the River Yare at Reedham, Cantley and Brundall. This is as a result of Storm Benjamin. So I've come over here to have a look and just see exactly how bad it is. At one point I thought the mooring posts were going to become totally submerged, just as the mooring rings are. When I filmed this, there was still another hour and a half to go till high tide. So it shows you just how deep it was. In the local newspaper, it says that this flooding is due to tide locking, where high tides restrict the normal drainage of the river out to sea. That one's called Joan. Isn't that gorgeous? I'd been so busy watching the water and the height it was rising to that I totally missed this cruiser just sat in the middle of the river, and the one over in the floating pontoon as well. And I couldn't work out why it was just sitting there at first, and then I realised they were waiting for the train to cross the bridge so that it could then swing open and they could go through. So obviously the swing bridge doesn't stay open very long because of the trains needing to cross it. And so now there are a couple of cruisers circling at the top end of here, up past the former Sanderson's boatyard. And they also were waiting for the next train to cross the bridge so that they could then go past. Once again, the train crosses and the swing bridge opens to enable the next lot of boats to go through. Reedham Swing Bridge carries the Wherry railway line between Norwich and Lowestoft. The original single-track bridge was commissioned by Sir Samuel Morton Peto in the 1840s. This present bridge dates from 1902 to 1903. After waiting so patiently and keep going round and round in circles, the bridge opens and they are finally able to continue with their journey. That's just about it from me for today, for this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed being at Reedham and watching the boats going past and seeing how bad the flooding is here. I wonder if it's ever gone over the flood wall here. I don't know, I can't recall hearing that it has, but it does make you wonder when you see it like this. Perhaps you could let us all know in the comments if you've known it go over that. Thank you all for watching. Have a good week, and I'll be back again next Friday. Bye.